Emoji. If you're like me, you include them in just about every text you send. Recently, the popular characters leapt out of our phones and were on display at the first ever Emojicon in San Francisco, a 2-day event dedicated to all things emoji. The first of its kind conference was spearheaded by a group called Emoji Nation. It was part business and part fun. Virtually all of the food served had an emoji counterpart: pears, burgers, and of course, pizza. Something that's not so appetizing? The poo-poo platter. In things I'd never thought I'd say, grinning poop cupcakes were also served. The first ever emoji event was taken over by all things number 2. If you didn't feel like shoving a brown cupcake in your mouth, you could take a seat on a comfy brown beanbag chair. Balloon artists even made poop emoji hats. So while waste was having its moment in the spotlight, the conference was anything but a waste of time, especially during the open proposals portion, where attendees told the Unicode Consortium, the organization that oversees official emoji creation, what was missing from their keyboards. According to Mashable, the next round of new emoji will come out in June 2017. I'm Sean Dowling for Buzz60. Now you know, pass it on.